Iran is an Islamic republic and most Iranians are Muslims. But because of our ancient civilization, our history includes traces of other religions as well.
This is the Church of Saint Stephanus. It's an Armenian church located in the city of Julfa in East Azerbaijan province of Iran. The monastery is one of the ancient monuments located in a deep canyon along the Aras River. The monastery is known for its magnificent exterior architecture. The brick structure was built in shape of a cross, surrounded by a stone wall fortified with 7 watchtowers. The inside of the church is still undergoing restoration. On the walls and the ceiling, there are remains of paintings of the renowned Armenian artist Havantanian, representing the Armenian art. In the center of the apse, there is an image of Saint Maria and the child Jesus, which adds to the magnificence of the church. The name of the church comes from the name of Saint Stephen, the first martyr of Christianity. There are several churches in the world by this name. The church was originally built in the 9th century, but some successive earthquakes had caused considerable damages to the structure. The church was renovated during the reign of the Safavid king Shah Abbas. In 2008, the monastery of Saint Stephanus was inscribed on UNESCO's World Heritage List. This is another Armenian church in Iran named Saint Thaddeus. It is also known as Ɂokaዀ요Ũ or the Black Church. The name of the church comes from the name of Saint Thaddeus. He was one of the 12 Christian apostles martyred while spreading the gospel. The church is surrounded by fortified walls. The church is decorated with black stones, and that's why it is named the Black Church. During history, successive earthquakes had demolished the church. It was renovated during Qajar era. Along with Saint Stephanus Church, ˋokaዀ요ˋ was added to UNESCO's World Heritage List in 2008. The monastery is located in a mountainous area near ˋґالդորան County in Iran's West Azerbaijan.